Page 276, question number 11. The typical voltage in volts supplied by an electrical outlet in Cuba is a sinusoidal function that oscillates between negative 155 volts and positive 155 volts and makes 60 complete cycles each second. Determine the equation for the voltage as a function of time. First, we're going to look at the negative 155 volts compared to the 155. You can clearly see that it goes down the same distance as it would go up in terms of a sinusoidal function. So our max is 155 volts and our min is negative 155 volts. That would tell me that right in the center must be 0. So there's no vertical or horizontal shift, so we have a D value equal to 0. This would also tell me with the amplitude. If I could visualize this, if this goes down to negative 155, this goes up to 155, my D value is 0, my amplitude is going to be this distance, so my amplitude is going to be 155. Okay, let's look at this 6 complete cycles each second. This is going to link to the period and the B value. This is not the period directly. A period is for one cycle. This is 60 cycles. 60 cycles in 1 second. I want to know what 1 cycle is and how long that would take me. So I'm going to put an X under time and just look at a ratio. So if I want to solve for X, I cross multiply. 1 times 1. 60 times X, and X will equal 1/60th. That's the period. From there I can find the B value. The B value will be 2 pi divided by the period. 2 pi divided by 1 over 60 is going to give me 120 pi. From there I need to, I've got my A value, my B value, my D value. I need to look at the C value. We do have a little bit of an assumption to make here. It doesn't particularly tell me where the starting value is. So we're going to start that it's just starting at even, and it could go to a min or a max. So we'll keep it simple and keep it saying that it's starting at the median and just working its way up, which would give us a sinusoidal function. So if we have a sinusoidal function, our final equation would look like this. Y, actually we should use V perhaps. V of t is equal to the amplitude, so 155 sine 120 pi is my B value. T is the variable, if you look at the question, that I should use instead of X, and I don't have a D value, so there would be my final answer.